What's up everyone, V-Scoot here. So we have comic book number 10, Rare Robot. Quite a few of them that we're going to rip. Our goal is to get some of the variant covers. And alright, so there's a base. So that's what a base looks like. The base looked cool, but we already have plenty of bases. So we really want a variant cover. There's a base. Oh, there we go. We did it. We did it. Oh my word. Let's go. Alright, so for this one, I'm just gonna, I don't care if I don't want to damage the corner, so we're gonna open it like this. I don't care about the bag. Wow. That looks so good. This is cracked ice out of 199. That looks so good. Oh, I love the DJ. That's sick. That is sick. Okay. So, now that we got a cracked ice, I'd love a cover. So there's going to be cover A and B. One of the angry robot and one where he's happy. So that's our chases now, is one of them. I don't need to get any other cracked ice or anything. Okay, still all bases. I do gotta keep making sure I check, because sometimes some have a blue ticket on them, and that means you won the metal cover. There is a one-of-one metal cover. Oh, wow. Okay, so we just hit another. Is that a cracked ice again? Another cracked ice. Wow. 2 cracked ice. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, there's the base. I really do want, like, even though the cracked ice is more rare, I would rather have a alt cover, just because as a collector, I like collecting. Oh, is this a shimmer? I think we just got a shimmer, my friends. I think we just got a shimmer. Shimmer to $2.99. Well, that's awesome. Shimmer to $2.99. That is so good. Well, that's going in our vault. Okay. So what I may do, I may trade the cracked ice. So I want to put these over here. I also do want to keep one sealed. So for my sealed collection, we're taking that one. That means we got a couple left here. But yeah, the cracked ice, I think I may just trade it for the other alt covers. Because I really want, yeah, I really want, especially the angry robot, I really want. Last chance. Oh. Oh, we got another one. Another different one. Oh, my word. What is this one? Wow. What is this, the hollow? Hollow foil to 99. Wow. That's amazing. That's awesome. Let's go. That's amazing.